How to block YouTube channels on Samsung TV. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to block unwanted YouTube channels on your Samsung Smart TV so you can control what content appears while using the YouTube app. Important notice. You can't directly block specific YouTube channels from the Samsung TV YouTube app, but there are workarounds using YouTube's restricted mode, account level settings, and supervised kids accounts. Step 1. Turn on restricted mode. Open the YouTube app on your Samsung TV. Go to the left menu and scroll down to Settings. Select Restricted Mode and turn it on. This helps hide content flagged as inappropriate or mature. Step 2. Use a supervised Google account. If your child is using the TV, set up a supervised account through Google's Family link. You can manage what content is allowed and block specific channels from your phone. Step 3. Block channels on a computer or phone. Open youtube.com or the YouTube app on your phone. Go to the channel you want to block. Tap the three dots, vertical ellipsis. Choose Don't Recommend Channel or Block User. Note, this applies to your Google account, so it works if you're signed in with the same account on your Samsung TV. Step 4. Use YouTube Kids app, safer alternative. If you're managing content for children, consider using the YouTube Kids app instead. It allows channel blocking, time limits, and strict filtering of content. Step 5. Sign out to restrict personalization. Signing out of the YouTube app reduces personalization and can prevent access to unwanted channels. Go to Settings, Account, Sign out if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you manage YouTube content on your Samsung TV, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and parental controls.